Welcome to RaiGurko.com. In this video, we'll discuss about how to generate bar graph using NumPy Matplot library. So if you're new to this channel and looking forward to learn how to generate bar chart in NumPy, then consider watching the complete video. And if you are very much interested to learn NumPy in detail, then consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for further update. So whenever I will upload any of the new content, you will get notified. For generating this type of graph, we need to code accordingly for providing x and y axis and again x2 and y2 for second options. So here you can find it out x axis, y axis and bar chart. So we'll see here in detail how we can create it. For creating, we need to import from Matplot library, import pyplot as pl. Now we need to define the x and y coordinates value. So here I am giving the value 4, 6, 11, and in y-axis I am giving the value as y equal to 12, 13, 5. Post that we need to define, so x value is for these two. Second, we need to define for x2 equal to data 6, 9, 11 and fourth value we are giving here as a y2. Y2, there's two space. Yes, this one 6, 15, 7. Now we have to generate the bar. Then pl dot bar is the syntax, and here we are including the data. So x y. Then we are providing the alignment. I am looking forward to get equal to center. We can also provide into left or right of the alignment as well, but it looks pretty when you are providing the destinations or alignment as a center. pl dot bar again second time, and then this is a function where we are declaring the value y2 color I am giving as a yellow. So here to y, and again alignment equal to center. Now next thing, we need to describe these three components, the name of each, and this is the title name, this is the y coordinates, and this is the x coordinates. So pl dot title, and inside this I am giving as a bar chart. In between single quotes, bar. Next I am giving here as a y level and x level. So I am just copying there from here. I am giving x level as x-axis and same thing I am using for y-axis. So I'm just changing as y and the data. Now we are ready. We just have to enter or plot the show option so that we are able to see this design. Now let's run this. Okay. Well, is the value it's typo error. Now I can see exactly same bar chart is printed. So if I want to remove any of the sections, simply I will add here and start, that is comment it out, and I will get the only first options. You can see first option, it means x coordinates value which we are getting and y coordinates are hidden it. Even you can change the data as well according to your requirement or the color. So for changing a color, if we want to add red, simply add R here. Now you can see the yellow part is updated with red part. So this is how we can generate bar chart using Matplotlib library in NumPy. Hope you liked it. If you really enjoyed the session, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. Thank you for watching.